everybody, Car and Biker here, and I'm on the bike with Mrs. C, heading into Hull to see a thing, and a thing might be the best description I can come up with. Hull is under attack by mythical beasts, or maybe not so mythical because it's under attack by them. It's under attack by Krakens. I can see one of them now attacking the Maritime Museum. It's actually a maritime museum thing being the best term. Now then, where can I stop to have a look at this thing? Look at that. There's one of the things. So this is what's happening. We're being attacked by Krakens. And that's the Kraken tentacles. Not really sure whether it's for anything or if it's just a kind of art thing. But I do kind of like it. So the idea is a Kraken, which is a giant squid. He's attacking this building. There's another one over there coming out of the Prince's Quay, which is that shopping centre over there, and apparently there's another one down there, and there's one at the front on the waterfront. See if I can get some better pictures. And there's the Spern lightship. Quite an interesting ship, isn't it? I should really know more about that. I'll have to find out and come back. But the Spern lightship has also been taken over by the Kraken. We're leaving the Kraken behind now. I don't know whether this will make a video or not. It's been a bit of a disaster, to be honest. We were being surrounded by, as I say, drunks and druggies and whatnot, and I've just tried to fly the drone around the lightship and had no success at all, just disconnecting all the time and getting attacked by seagulls. So I'll see if I make it a video. If not, I might come and try again another day. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.